In this video, we'll create an interactive map chart that visualizes world population using a simple two-column table containing countries and their populations. Let's begin by preparing the data. Go to the Wikipedia link shown on the screen. This page lists countries and their dependencies by population. We're not going to copy and paste the data manually. Instead, we'll simply copy the web page URL and let Excel handle the rest automatically. Now open Excel. Go to the Data tab and click from Web in the Get and Transform Data group. Paste the URL into the box that appears, then click OK. Excel will connect to the website and open the Navigator window. It may take a few moments to fetch and process the web page. Once Excel finishes scanning the page, you'll see a list of all available tables on the left side of the Navigator. Select the table that contains the world population by country, then click Transform Data. Excel will again take a moment to process the data and then open the Power Query Editor. Here, we'll clean the data so it's ready to use. First, remove the unnecessary columns. Select the columns you don't need, then click Remove Columns on the ribbon. We'll keep only the columns that contain the country name and population. Next, remove the first row because it shows the total world population, which we don't need. Click Remove Rows on the ribbon. Choose Remove Top Rows, enter 1, and confirm. Now let's rename the column headers. Change column 1 to country and column 2 to population. Our data set is now clean and ready. Click Close and Load to import the final data into an Excel sheet. Excel may take a moment, and then the data will appear in a new worksheet as a formatted table. You can change the table style if you prefer a different design. Next, let's make the table interactive by adding a slicer. Click anywhere inside the table, go to the Table Design tab, and select Insert Slicer. Check the country option and click OK. A slicer will appear with a list of countries. When you click a country, the table instantly filters to show only that country's data. To restore the full table, click the Clear Filter button on the slicer. Now it's time to create the map chart. Select any cell in the table. Go to the Insert tab, open the Maps drop-down in the Charts group, and choose Field Map. Excel generates a world map. Countries with larger populations appear in darker shades, while lighter colors represent smaller populations. If you want to focus on a single country, just select it from the slicer. The table filters to that country, and the map updates automatically to display only that region. However, you may notice that the map sometimes disappears after selecting a country. This happens because Excel automatically resizes charts when filtered data changes. Let's fix that. First, clear the slicer filter so the chart becomes visible again. Right-click the chart and choose Format Chart Area. In the pane that opens, select the Size and Properties icon. Under Properties, choose Don't Move or Size with Cells. Now try selecting a country from the slicer again. This time, the chart stays visible and displays only the selected country on the map. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more practical Excel tutorials.